Hello everyone, Lewis Crompton here, and this is not financial advice. The answer to the title of this video is yes. End of video, cut, let's put it into production. We've got nothing else left to say. No, in all seriousness, the answer is yes. You may have stumbled on this video accidentally because you have an interest in generating an income stream through trading Forex, and the algorithms picked it up and thrown this video at you. And this video comes from a conversation I was having with a few people, one person on the phone this morning as well. If you don't know me, my name is Lewis. I run this channel, and although the channel isn't specifically about Forex trading, I have been a Forex trader for over 8 years now. Nearly 9 actually. Goodness me, I'm definitely starting to get old and haggard, as you can tell. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and share it with somebody else who you know may be looking at making some form of extra income, but they're not quite sure how to do it yet. So the question of, is it possible to actually make money through Forex? It really is possible to make money. Or thinking bigger, it's actually possible to make a living through trading Forex. Firstly, I always want to address the issue of how long it will take people. People always think it's going to be a case of get rich quick overnight, and it's not, but it does seem to attract those type of people. What I will say is, if you follow the right systems, if you have the right process in place, and then we are certainly able to generate incredible amounts of money through trading. But you have to have the right support systems and structure and education in place. You need to know what it is that you're doing. It's even better actually if you're based in the UK, because if you are UK based, it is tax free. I wonder if you could turn a drinking game into how many times I say tax free in these videos. The way we make money through trading is to identify and make a decision about what direction the market is going to go in next. It's all about what we call identifying market bias. If we believe the market is looking like it's going to go up, then we buy. We buy first, we sell later, and we make our profit in that way based on the increase in value. If we believe the market is going to go down, then we sell first and we buy second, and that price difference is how we make our money by the markets going down. Yes, you heard that correctly. People are always shocked and stunned by this. You can make money as the markets are going down once you have this skill set in place, and it is a skill set, and that is what lets you become recession proof. That means that you can make money as markets go up and as they go down as well. If you are currently in a job, when the economy tanks, like we're expecting it to at some point soon, you may find yourself out of work because a recession can hit a lot of companies very hard, and they have to let staff go. It's an incredibly difficult time for many people. It's horrible, really. Fingers crossed that doesn't happen to you, but if it does, what I'm doing with this channel is hopefully giving you ways to protect yourself and your family. When I first started learning to trade, I was working full-time in retail, and after 7 months of mastering and learning this skill set, I was able to leave my job, and that's when I started to travel around the world. Now, I was in my early 20s. I didn't have a mortgage, and I didn't have to pay for any kids. I didn't have any kids. I still don't have any kids, as far as I'm aware. Who knows? I did travel the world quite a lot and had a fair amount of fun while doing that. So because of all those factors, my cost of living was a lot lower than many people's, meaning it was easier for me to be able to generate enough of an income through my trading to leave my job. Within Star Trading, which is my Forex trading education company, we have many students who are constantly making money each and every single month. And that's what I'm passionate about teaching people to do. Some make enough money to live off, some make enough money to pay for that holiday that they want each year with their kids, with their other half, and some are still in the process of growing their trading accounts to the level that they want to get their trading accounts to. We all have different goals there. We all have different definitions of success. But what all of these people have in common is that yes, they are making money from trading. Yes, they've learned and intentionally developed a skill set which allows them to do it. But they also have in common that they gave themselves the opportunity. They gave themselves the opportunity to learn. They gave themselves permission to develop this new skill set that could help them and their families in a financial way for the rest of their lives. For example, you've got Calvin. He made 13.5% profit on his entire account in just his first month trading. Simon, another member of our community, consistently profitable each and every month. He grew his account from 500 to just under 10,000 in a little over a year. You've got Dan, who traded his way out of crippling HMRC debts, and makes consistent profit in the financial markets because of what he learned through star trading. You've got Mark, who lost his business and took one last chance with star trading, managed to generate an additional income for him and his family. Fantastic trader. So yes, it is possible. It is possible to trade and make money if, and I say if, you have the right knowledge, the right skill set, and the right support structure in place. Personally, I would never ever have been able to become a successful trader if it wasn't for the help and mentorship that I got and that I paid for. I paid a heck of a lot of money to receive the education and have the knowledge that I now have. There is a quote I love by Arnold Schwarzenegger, of all people, and he says, "Call me what you want," I won't do the accent, "call me what you want, but never call me a self-made man, because I had help getting to where I am." Now, I resonate with that massively on so many different levels, and that is why I decided as well to help others learn how to potentially make a full-time income, a life-changing income from trading, while only having to spend 30 minutes per day on that skill and on that process. So if you are truly interested in looking at trading as a viable option for you to generate an additional income, then I've given you some free info in the comments section below about how I help people to do that. I'm also going to be putting in a link that you can book a very quick 15-minute call to see if trading is something that would work for you. So make sure you go and download that ebook now for free and download that resource, book that call. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video and that it's shown you that yes, it is possible to be a successful trader. Make sure that you like this video, you share this video with people, subscribe to the channel, and let me know any questions that you have in the comments. So I love to create videos based off of what people put in the comments section. My name is Lewis, and this is not financial advice.